raining. Thought I'd take you for a drive. Sorry, I'm just listening to the radio. Listen to a show in the morning. But for my friends out there that I actually know, that are followers of this channel, I'm really been debating the last week probably and doing a lot of research on moving to Ohio probably. I never wanted to end up on that side of the Mississippi, but the more I look into it, property taxes are low, constitutional carry, got a water source there at, Lake Erie. So I don't know, I'm just debating this because I'm really, even moving from Oregon to Washington, it's just they're like so close in politics and shit and gun laws and fucking laws and shit. It's like crap. It's about ready to just say screw the Northwest, even though it's beautiful out here. Traffic. Can't get away from traffic here. Yeah, unless you're out here in the country where there is no traffic. So. I was gonna go down on the river today, but I don't know. I was just there yesterday. I thought, well, done that. I'll go tomorrow probably. I'll drive up to the church I go to and show everybody the church. So going uphill here.
And finally, of course, legacy media is paying attention to it because you've got major American cities run by Democrats that now have to deal with the problem thanks to Greg Abbott of Texas. And it was a great idea. Hey, we can't take any more people. What are we going to do? But that's not exactly.
These people over here are.
We heard from NBC earlier. This was
they cut down a bunch of trees and we're burning them. They're probably going to sell some of that property and build another house on it. But yeah, okay. We'll just pull into the church parking lot here and just chill for a little bit. So if you got any comments on what you think about what's going on in our country, or your state. I've said, I don't want to get into politics but if you can go to your state website, your legislature's website, and just look at it and follow the bills and everything that are there. I got a let's just say a relative that was in the military and then in law enforcement for 30 years, and when I was talking to him a couple days ago, he didn't even know that Ohio was a constitutional carry state. So I went and looked it up and sent him the link to it, and he's like, "Holy crap, man!" I'm like, "Yeah, pay attention, man." So. Anyway, I mean, I really don't have anything to talk about, so I guess we'll just go for a drive here. I mean, literally, I don't even know why I keep putting shit out on YouTube, because nobody gives a shit. Americans are freaking stupid, uninformed, ignorant. I think we'll probably maybe just go down to the river. Screw it. And this video will take forever to upload, I guarantee that. Right there is a volunteer fire and rescue. Talking to I think he's my best friend. We were talking last night until 2 o'clock in the freaking morning. I stayed up way too late, but we can never get off the phone with each other because we got good points on both sides. It's just nice to have a friend like that. So hope you have somebody like that. I've said before, gotta have a friend that will kick you in the ass when you need it, and you can kick them in the ass when they need it. So. If I would have turned left, that's where I got Bible study today. Sorry for all you atheists and agnostics, and I don't get that, but whatever. Freedom of choice, I guess. See, they're doing road work up here? What the hell? Cutting down trees and shit. Okay. Off the power lines, good thing for the summer. this way. Yeah, that's exactly what they're doing. They're cutting trees around a power line. And I guess that's another thing I would talk about is, holy crap, you know, I've looked for jobs, had some interviews, stuff, but flaggers make a shit ton of money, but you have to get a certification to be, quote, qualified from the state. It's like, fucking government, get the fuck out of the way. I was a flagger when I was 18. I didn't need to go through a course or pay the fucking state money to get licensed to do that. It just freaking pisses me off. Am I for government? Yes. Federal government? Yes. Do I think it should be limited? Fuck yeah. I mean, after, you know, last couple of years of researching the founding documents and the Federalist Papers and everything else, it's like, how the hell did we let this country go to total shit? Everybody got complacent, and everybody's afraid to stand up to the government. It's just, no wonder we have a shithole of a country right now. Alright. Calm down, Bill. Calm down. I just get passionate about this shit. I mean, I literally have never taken money from the government other than, you know, going through the VA, which somebody had to pound that in me for 2 years. It's like, well, you deserve it. You know, I'm like, nah, not really. But, I don't know. I was actually talking to my mom. Hi, Mom. But I was talking to her last night, and I said, maybe I should start identifying, sorry, YouTube, as a transgender illegal alien that is a lesbian. I mean, this world is so fucking upside down. It's just crazy. There's the river. I don't know. I just have a passion about going and being near water. I think we'll go over here. I won't do too much walking because I gotta go do a couple appointments in a little bit. So. This is the east side of the park. Yesterday was the west side of the park, which is, you know, at least I can get down there now. In this park, you don't have to pay a fee to come to. It's an old RV, but it's pretty cool looking. Tell you, living out here is a lot better than living in the city. And there's the spikes that are there. I never go through that. I go the opposite way. I'm like, fuck it, I'm not even gonna attempt to go over those things and bust a freaking tire. And there's another dump truck. Imagine that. literally, you can't go anywhere without seeing a dump truck or a double dump truck. It's at 14% grade here, so we're gonna hit the gas. Probably shift down in third. There we go. Why is the school bus driving right now? School should already be in session, whatever. It's just crap. Taxpayer dollars being wasted. If you're a liberal, please post a comment on this one and tell me why you like paying taxes. You want everything, toilets, your air conditioning, or your heater, everything's freaking controlled by a statute or a federal law or state law or a city ordinance, and it's just, I'm getting tired of it. So much government overreach. It's just ridiculous, you know. But anyway, I'm gonna cut this off. This is probably way too long. So everybody have a good New Year, and yeah, take care. Peace out, guys. Love everybody. See ya. Bye.